Hey friends, welcome back. I just wanted to quickly pop on and talk a little bit about my Wild One baby blanket Tunisian crochet along. We are going to be doing a Tunisian crochet along after a really long time. I'm going to be sharing some squares over the next few weeks, and I'm going to be releasing one square every week. And there's a total of 6 squares, so you can take your time so that we can gradually work on this blanket together. I hope you guys are interested. I love, love, love all the squares. It's a great way for you to practice some Tunisian crochet stitches while making these beautiful squares and then eventually making a blanket. But feel free to use them in any way you'd like, but I'm intending to do a baby blanket pattern with these squares. So just a little sneak peek. I'm just going to show you the back of the squares. I'm using We Crochet yarn that was kindly gifted from We Crochet. I'm using Comfy Worsted that was gifted from We Crochet, and I absolutely love how it feels. It's a cotton yarn and it's super soft, perfect for little ones. And then I'm just sharing a sneak peek of the back of the squares. I'm sure you can guess by looking at the back, just some color work. There's some color work, and there are some filler squares that I think you'll love working on. So for this Tunisian crochet along, the yarn was sponsored by We Crochet, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I will be using the Comfy Worsted Weight yarn in 3 colors. It's a neutral theme blanket, so I'm using, this is the color Thicket, I believe. That's what it's called, yeah, Thicket. And it's like a neutral brown shade. It's like a grayish brown, I guess. But it's super cute. I love how it turned out. The squares that I made with these. And then I will be using Parchment, which is like a beigeish, like a light brown, like a tan. You could call it a tan. So that, and then just plain white as a contrast. I hope you love how this comes together. I absolutely love the squares and how they turned out. I actually made this blanket originally with some Mary Maxim yarn like a long time ago, but I wanted to do a Tunisian crochet along with you guys, and I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned. I will link the materials. I'm using the Radiant Wood Tunisian crochet hook from We Crochet again. This was gifted to me a while ago. You can get individual sizes, but they also have this really cute, really great complete set. If you're looking for a set, very affordable for wood. Usually wood hooks are a little more expensive, but this wood hook is pretty decent, like in terms of pricing and stuff. They have some really great options, and you can, I believe, also get sets of just like the hook, cord, and stubber. I will link to everything in the description, but look how beautiful this hook is. This is the Radiant Wood Interchangeable Tunisian crochet hook from We Crochet. So this is size J10 6mm. That's what I'll be using for all those squares. I'm super excited. I hope you'll join me. There's gonna be giveaway prizes. It's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna put together a blog post with all of the details. I hope you'll check it out. I will link it. I'll link it in the description here. And stay tuned and let me know if you guys have any questions at all. I'll have all the details again in the blog post. Follow along. I'm gonna be starting soon. And then over the next few weeks, we'll get to crochet, Tunisian crochet some squares together. I hope you're excited.